Good morning, students. And I have already started compound angle. No? Yes. All of you know the formula. All of you know. Yes. Tell. Cos A minus B formula. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay. Sin A minus formula. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. And sin A plus B. Sin A plus B. Sin A cos B, cos A sin B. Okay, right, right. Now I am showing one sum. See, look at here. So tan A plus B. Okay. So right. Tan A plus B. Question number 1. Correct. Tan A plus B minus tan A minus B equal to sin 2b by cos square b minus sin square a. Okay? So right. So first write left hand side. So write tan A plus B minus tan A minus B. So write sin A plus B by cos A plus B we can write. Okay, here minus sin A minus B by cos A minus B you can write. Now see here cos A plus B cos A minus B. LCM is there, so write cos A plus B cos A minus B. LCM here cos A plus B cos A plus B. So this into this, so write sin A plus B cos A minus B minus cos A plus B into sin A minus B. Okay. So right here, if we consider this is suppose put A, this is B, then sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay. Sin A minus B. So right sin A plus B minus A plus B. Okay. By see cos A plus B cos A minus 1 formula is there. Here cos square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus sin square A. Anyone you can write. See what is given here cos square B minus sin square is given. So write only write whatever is given, just you see and put the value. Okay. So cos square B minus sin square A. So it will be sin 2B by cos square B minus sin square A. Just right. Okay, right? Sin A plus B minus A plus B here, so sin 2B by cos square minus sin square. Okay. Next one. Next one. So right, tan beta equal to given question number 2 right. Tan beta equal to n sin alpha cos alpha. N sin alpha cos alpha by 1 minus n sin square alpha. Prove that tan alpha minus beta. Okay. Alpha minus beta equal to 1 minus n of tan alpha. We have to prove, okay? Prove that tan alpha minus beta equal to 1 minus n tan alpha. Say, how to prove? First, all of you know the formula tan alpha minus beta? Yes? Right. Tan alpha minus beta, right first. So, tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. So, tan alpha you can write sin alpha by cos alpha and tan beta, just you put the value n sin alpha cos alpha by 1 minus n sin square alpha. Okay, by 1 plus tan alpha, right, sin alpha by cos alpha into n sin alpha cos alpha by 1 minus n sin square. See, look at here. Cos alpha into 1 minus n sin square alpha. This will see here also cos alpha into 1 minus n sin square alpha. This will be LCM. Both after simplification, both will be removed. Okay, both this will be cancelled. So now write. So you can write sin alpha into 1 minus n sin square alpha minus n sin alpha into cos square alpha by here cos alpha into 1 minus n sin square alpha plus n sin square alpha into cos alpha. Okay, now multiply. See, sin alpha minus n sin square alpha minus, so you can write n sin alpha, this cos square alpha, we can write 1 minus sin square alpha by, you multiply cos alpha minus n sin square alpha cos alpha plus n sin square alpha into cos alpha, both cancel. Okay, down will be numerator, denominator will be only cos alpha. Okay, now see, and this multiplied n sin alpha plus n sin q alpha, here plus n sin q alpha, here is minus n sin q alpha, both are cancelled. Okay, both are cancelled. So we can write here sin alpha minus n sin cube alpha minus n sin alpha plus n sin q alpha, okay, by cos alpha. Both are cancelled. So take sin alpha common, 1 minus n by cos alpha. So sin by cos tan alpha into 1 minus n, that is 1 minus n into tan alpha. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer, right? Just simplification. First you put the value, after that you have to simplify. Okay, so next one. Next one, very important sum is there. Suppose, see, question number 3, right? So cos alpha minus beta plus cos beta minus gamma plus cos gamma minus alpha equal to minus 3 by 2. Prove that cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 0. Also sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equal to 0. Very important sum. This one, cos alpha minus beta plus cos beta minus gamma plus cos gamma minus alpha equal to minus 3 by 2. Then prove that cos alpha cos beta cos gamma equal to 0 and sin alpha sin beta sin gamma equal to 0. See, I am showing here how to do. So write first. This 2 is to multiply both the sides. Okay, see. So you can write 2 cos alpha minus beta plus 2 cos beta minus gamma plus 2 cos gamma minus alpha equal to minus 3. So minus 3 take that side. So 3 plus 2 cos alpha minus beta plus 2 cos beta minus gamma plus 2 cos gamma minus alpha equal to 0. Okay. Now 3 you can write, see, 1 plus 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 1 plus 1. So first one you can write cos square alpha minus plus sin square alpha. See, so this part you can write cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. We are getting 1 1. Then second one you can write cos square beta plus sin square beta. Okay, and third one, this is 3 is given now, that's why. So this is 1, this is 1, and another is cos square gamma plus sin square gamma. This also 1 plus 2. So this part we can write cos alpha cos beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. Similarly, 2 cos beta cos gamma plus 2 sin beta sin gamma plus 2 here also cos gamma cos alpha plus 2 sin gamma sin alpha equal to 0. See here, as all of you know, a plus b plus c whole square formula, a square b square c square 2ab 2bc 2c. Okay, similar way, you put a cos first, you take first cos. See, cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma, 2 cos alpha cos beta, 2 cos beta cos gamma plus 2 cos gamma cos alpha is given. So you can write here. So this part will be cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square. Okay, so you can write here. See, cos square alpha, that is, here you can write, just arrange cos one side and sin one side. So it will be cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square. First part. Now second part, similar way. See, sin square alpha, sin square beta, sin square gamma is there, and 2 sin alpha sin beta. Okay, similar way you can write here sin alpha sin beta sin gamma whole square equal to 0. Okay, sin alpha sin beta plus sin gamma whole square equal to 0. So perfect square would be 0, mean each equal to 0, all of you know to, yes. So this is square plus this is square equal to 0. So you can write here cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 0, and sin alpha sin beta plus sin gamma equal to 0. And we have to prove again, that is cos alpha minus beta equal to minus half, cos beta minus gamma equal to minus half, and cos gamma minus alpha also minus half. How to prove? Look at it. So first proof is completed. Now second proof. Okay. See, from here we can write, look at here. See, cos alpha cos beta cos gamma is given. So you can write here cos alpha plus cos beta, we can write minus cos gamma. Now squaring both sides. See, cos square alpha cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta, we can write cos square gamma. Similarly, this part sin alpha sin beta one side, sin gamma another side. So if we squaring sin square alpha sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta equal to, you can write sin square gamma. Now add, see, cos square alpha sin square alpha 1, cos square beta sin square beta 1 plus 2, take common, cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. So it will be cos alpha minus beta. So write cos alpha minus beta equal to 1. So 2 cos alpha minus equal to, 1 to 1, that is minus 1. So you can write cos alpha minus beta equal to minus half. Okay, 1 is enough. Similarly you have to write, okay, cos alpha minus beta minus half, and cos beta minus gamma similar minus half, and cos gamma minus alpha also minus. Okay. See, for board exam, this type of sum, if board exam will come, so you will get, this is the process. Suppose in entrance what to do? In entrance what to do? You put this process, so many time taken, okay? How to do in shortcut process? Shortcut method is there. Just to see, I am showing here. In question paper is given, see, cos alpha minus beta, see, I am showing in suppose entrance is this type of sum, how to solve. Okay, very shortcut process also there. See, look at here, cos alpha minus beta plus cos beta minus gamma plus cos gamma minus alpha equal to minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 means, see, if this part suppose minus half, this part minus half, this part minus half, whole part is satisfied. Whole part no satisfied, no. Left or right hand side minus half, minus half, minus half, minus 3 by 2. So if this is minus half, then cos alpha minus beta equal minus half. Then we can write cos alpha minus beta equal to cos 120 degree. So alpha minus beta 120 degree. Okay. So similarly, alpha, beta minus gamma also 120 degree, and gamma minus alpha also 120 degree. Then this relation is satisfied. Okay. See, if alpha minus beta 120, that is minus half is there. So minus half minus half minus. Okay. Then cos alpha minus beta, we know cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 0. And here, if we add, see, okay, so minus half, yes. See, this satisfied to me. So each equal to minus half. Okay. Suppose this is given, then prove that cos alpha minus beta equal to cos beta minus gamma equal to cos gamma minus equal to minus half. What is the value? So you can write, so minus half, then it is 120 degree. So alpha minus beta 120 degree, beta minus gamma also 120 degree, and gamma minus alpha also 120 degree. Then this is minus half, minus half, minus half. Okay. Next one. Next one. See. Very important sums are there. Okay. See. Suppose sin theta equal to, look at here. Next sum is there. Sin theta equal to k sin theta plus phi. This is given. Prove that tan theta plus phi, you can write here sin phi by cos phi minus k, sin phi by cos phi minus k. Okay. So if you put here tan a plus formula, so it will be back, big calculation is there. Okay. So I am showing, so one short process is there. So right, sin theta we can write, look at here. So sin theta, this part, theta plus phi minus phi you can write. Both phi cancel. So right, will be k sin theta plus phi. Okay. So right, this is A, this is B consider. So sin A cos B minus cos A sin B equal to k sin theta plus phi. Okay. Now this should take that side. Take sin theta plus phi common. So here cos phi minus k equal to, you can write cos theta plus phi into sin phi. So to that side, so sin theta plus phi by, we can write cos theta plus phi. So you can write here sin phi by cos phi minus k. So sin by cos tan, see this will come tan theta minus phi, here tan theta plus phi equal to, we are getting sin phi by cos phi minus k. See, very important sum. Sin theta equal to, this is given. So sin theta we can write here theta plus phi minus phi, then sin a cos b cos a sin b. Okay, so right, and sin theta plus phi one side we take, then sin theta plus phi cos phi minus k equal to cos theta plus phi sin phi. So you can write here sin theta by cos theta plus phi. Okay, so it will be sin phi by cos phi minus k. So tan theta plus phi equal to sin phi by cos phi minus k. Okay, see, copy first. Okay, the next one. Next one, see, it is given so with 5 cos theta plus 12 sin theta plus 12, find out maximum or minimum value. Okay, very important sum is there. So write 5 cos theta plus 12 sin theta plus 12, its maximum value or minimum value find out. So this type of sum you have to solve like this. Suppose you consider this is, suppose A, you have to consider A, consider. Now write, suppose 5 equal to write r cos alpha and 12 equal to write r sin alpha. Okay. So here tan alpha or cot alpha you have to write tan sin by cos, that is 12 by 5. So alpha you can write tan inverse, remember, okay, 12 by 5. So given expression will be, so write A equal to r cos alpha cos theta plus, and the value of r will be 13. So squaring both sides, 25 equal to r square cos square alpha, and here r equal to 1/4 equal to r square sin square 4. Just you have to add r square, because sin square cos square 1, so r square equal to 169. Then r equal to 13, right? Positive value, right? Okay. You will take here positive value. Okay. So r cos alpha cos theta plus r sin alpha sin theta plus 12. Take r common. So here cos theta minus alpha plus 12. R value no 13. Cos theta minus alpha plus 12. We are getting this part. After simplification, you will get this part. Okay. Now, see. Now all of you know that is the value of cos theta minus 1 to plus 1. No? First day when I do the class, no. First class, that is here minus 1 less than equal to sin theta less than equal to 1, and cos theta minus 1 also plus 1 in between, minus 1 to plus 1. Okay. Now for all values of theta, we can write minus 1 less or equal to cos theta minus alpha less or equal to plus 1. So 13 multiply, you both multiply 13, minus 13 is equal to 13 cos theta minus alpha less equal to 13. 12 is there, add both side 12, minus 13 plus 12 less equal to 13 cos theta minus alpha plus 12 less equal to 25. So here minus 1 less equal to, given expression will be a less equal to 25. So here look at here. So maximum value is here. So maximum value, right here, maximum value is there 25 and mean value is there minus 1, right. So maximum value 25, minimum value minus 1, okay. Okay. Now here compound angle today I have to complete, and next class I will do here that is transformation, sums and product. Suppose 2 cos A cos B, how to convert into that is their plus, that cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, like that, okay. And sums and product, that is product you have to consider sums and sums you have to consider to product, okay. And all of you practice at home. I will give the study material, also worksheet I will give, okay. And all of you practice at home nicely, okay. Okay, bye.